Hey friends, in this video I'm going to explain you the process for uploading or synchronizing multiple folders from your computer or your servers to your AWS S3 buckets. So suppose after installing AWS CLI and you just want to upload multiple folders, so what you can do, either you can upload it one by one or you can use this PowerShell script, and this PowerShell script will upload these all folders from your computer or your servers to AWS S3 bucket. So let's start. This is a AWS CLI command that will help you to upload the data from your computer to your AWS S3 bucket. But in this command, you need to just execute it from the same location. Like suppose if data folder is available inside the G drive, so you need to execute it in the G drive itself. But suppose if you have multiple folders from various locations and you just want to upload it, so you need to go one by one in each drive for uploading the data from your computer to your AWS S3 bucket. But in the PowerShell script, you can specify these all folders either that is in D drive or G drive or E drive. So I'm going to open this PowerShell script. Let's start. So first I just specified a variable. In this variable, source, destination and log file are written over here, and this is the source file, that is G drive and user data. So this is one folder, and second folder is G info test. So in the G drive I have two folders, one is user data and second is info test data. Suppose if you have the data inside D drive, so you can change the drive location and the folder name as well. And in the destination path, you need to specify the S3 bucket for your company, wherever that you want to upload the data from your computer or your server. And similarly, you can write the log file path as well. So there are the two separate log file I specified. First file is for user data folder and second file is for info_test folder location. Now after specifying the variable for source and destination and log file path, you need to check either if you are executing this PowerShell script through the run as administrator or not. So you need to use it if in case if you are not using the administrative rights, so this will not execute at all. So after specifying these two variable, one is for the location path and second for checking the admin privileges for your PowerShell script. Next, this will use the for each loop. In the for each loop, you need to specify the $pair. So this is one variable. In this variable, I am calling the content of the syncPair variable, and in the syncPairs variable is having the source location and destination locations. Now I'm going to specify source path. This is a variable where I'm just calling the $pair.source path, and similarly in the destination path I'm calling $pair.destination path, and this is the log path. After specifying the for each loop, I'm using the AWS CLI command for uploading the data. So now let's start by executing this. So now this PowerShell script has been executed successfully. We will go on the log file path. Now you can see there are the two files which has been generated, and here we can see the data has been uploaded successfully. Now similarly we will go for another log file path. So this has been also uploaded successfully. After checking the log file, we will go on the location where S3 buckets has been created, and we will check either content has been uploaded on the data. So this is the user data. Now we will refresh it. Let's see. Now you can see this is info data. So in the user data we have two files. One is test 021 and test21.txt. We will go on the location for the user data. So there are the two files which are inside in user data folder. Similarly, we will go on the info test. So info test is also having two files. So let's see. So then there is a folder that is info_test, and which is also having two files. So this has been uploaded successfully. So you can just schedule it, this PowerShell script. So in case if user is just making changes inside the user data folders or info_test folder, so this will just synchronize it as per your scheduled date and time. So this is the process which you can follow to upload or to synchronize the content of your servers or your computers to AWS S3 bucket using the PowerShell script. So you must be aware that when you are executing this PowerShell script, so AWS CLI must be installed and configured properly, then only this will work. Otherwise this will just create an error on your AWS S3 bucket or your the PowerShell script where you are executing it. Thank you for watching this PowerShell script video for uploading the data on your AWS S3 bucket.